What if I told you that file management on Windows just got a massive upgrade that could change how you interact with your files forever? Today, we are diving deep into Files app version 3.9.12 and its revolutionary new Omnibar feature that's making waves in the Windows community. I'm going to show you why this isn't just another incremental update, but potentially the most significant advancements in Windows file management we have seen in years. Stick around because we are also going to compare it head to head with the big players like Windows Explorer, Total Commander, and Directory Opus to see where files truly shines. Welcome back to Atarian News Channel. For those new to the scene, Files is a modern open source file manager designed specifically for Windows 10 and 11. Unlike the aging Windows Explorer that's been basically unchanged since Windows 7, Files bring a fresh, contemporary approach to file management features that actually make sense in 2025. The app has been steadily gaining popularity among power users and everyday Windows users alike, and for good reason. It's fast, it's intuitive, and it's constantly evolving based on user feedback. But with version 3.9.12, the developers have introduced something that could be a real game changer: the Omnibar. So, what exactly is this Omnibar? And why is everyone talking about it? Think of your favorite website browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge. They all have that same single address bar at the top where you can type URLs, search terms, or commands. The Omnibar brings this exact concept to file management, and it's absolutely brilliant. Instead of having separate search boxes, address bars, and navigation elements scattered around the interface, Files version 3.9.12 consolidates everything into one intelligent bar. You can navigate to folders, search for files, or even execute commands all from the same place. It's like having a command center for your entire file system. The beauty of this approach is in its simplicity. Press Ctrl F or click the search button in the Omnibar, and you're instantly searching. No more hunting for tiny search boxes or dealing with clunky interfaces. The developers have also completely redesigned how filtering works, introducing a dedicated filter UI that's far more intuitive than the previous system. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about reducing cognitive load and making file management feel as natural as browsing the web. And let's be honest, most of us spend more time in web browsers than any other application. So this familiar interface immediately feels right at home. Now let's see how this stacks up against the competition, because that's where things get really interesting. Windows Explorer is Microsoft's default file manager. It is functional but frankly outdated. The search functionality is slow, often unreliable, and scattered across different interface elements. Windows Explorer hasn't seen significant innovation in over a decade, and it shows. Files Omnibar completely outclasses Explorer's search and navigation experience. Total Commander is the grandfather of alternative file managers, beloved by power users for its dual pane interface and extensive functionality. However, Total Commander's interface feels like it's stuck in the 1990s. While it's incredibly powerful, it has a steep learning curve that intimidates newcomers. Files strike a perfect balance. It's approachable for beginners, but doesn't sacrifice power user features. Now let's talk about Directory Opus. It is often considered the gold standard for Windows file managers. Directory Opus is incredibly feature rich and highly customizable. However, it comes with a significant price tag and complexity that can overwhelm casual users. Files delivers many of the same benefits with a modern interface that doesn't require a manual to understand. Free Commander and Explorer Plus Plus. Well, these are solid alternatives, but they still feel like enhanced versions of old school file managers. They haven't reimagined the file management experience the way Files has. What sets Files apart is its modern design philosophy. While other file managers either stick to outdated interfaces or overwhelm users with options, Files focuses on intelligent design that makes complex tasks feel simple. But the Omnibar isn't the only reason to get excited about Files v3.9.12. The latest updates include support for long file paths, something that's been a persistent headache for Windows users dealing with deep directory structures. This feature alone makes files invaluable for developers and anyone working with complex project folders. The app also introduces enhanced context menus with Alt key access indicators, improved clipboard shortcuts functionality, and better archive creation settings that persist across sessions. These might sound like minor improvements, but they represent the kind of thoughtful user experience design that's often missing from other file managers. The performance optimizations in recent versions have also addressed many of the early stability issues, making files not just more beautiful than the competition, but genuinely faster and more reliable. The Files app version 3.9.12 update represents more than just incremental improvement. It's a reimagining of what file management should be in 2025. The Omnibar feature alone justifies making the switch, but combined with the app's modern interface, active development, and growing feature set, Files is becoming the file manager that Windows should have had years ago. If you're tired of Windows Explorer's limitations or intimidated by the complexity of traditional power user file managers, Files offers the perfect middle ground. It's free, it's open source, and it's constantly improving. I have included a complete installation and usage guide document in the description box below. And if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tools that can transform your Windows experience. Until next time, keep exploring.